In 2025, Nissan has recently introduced an exciting new concept for the Japan Mobility Show called the Hyper Adventure. However, there is a twist. This isn't a car you will see on roads anytime soon. Instead, it's a virtual concept that will be presented digitally in Tokyo, offering a glimpse into what the future of outdoor adventure vehicles might look like. The Hyper Adventure is designed with outdoor exploration in mind. It's all about imagining how vehicles could evolve to support adventurous lifestyles, even if this particular model won't be physically built. This concept follows on the heels of Nissan's Hyper-Urban, which focused on futuristic city cars. Unlike its predecessor, the Hyper-Adventure shifts its focus to off-road experiences, targeting those who love to explore nature. Nissan has packed the Hyper-Adventure with impressive features, starting with a large battery designed to power various devices, including electric jet skis, thanks to its V2X vehicle-to-everything capability. This feature highlights Nissan's commitment to integrating their advanced e-Force four-wheel drive system, which is also found in their Area electric SUV, ensuring that the Hyper Adventure would be more than capable on tough terrains. The exterior design of the Hyper Adventure is not just about looks, it's carefully crafted to enhance aerodynamics. Airflow is optimized through the front splitter and around the sides with a larger rear roof spoiler and a flat rear end that work together to reduce drag, improving overall efficiency. This kind of thoughtful design shows how future vehicles might combine both style and performance. Inside the Hyper Adventure, Nissan has created a space that's both practical and innovative. The instrument panel is connected to the windshield, providing a modern, tech-forward experience. There's also plenty of room for all your outdoor gear, whether it's tents, skis, or kayaks. One of the coolest features is the rear bench seating, which can rotate to 180 degrees. This allows passengers to sit facing out through the rear door, perfect for enjoying virtual views of scenic landscape, making the interior not just a cabin but a mobile observation deck. While the Hyper Adventure remains a digital concept, it's a fascinating look into how Nissan envisions the future of off-road vehicles.